Welcome to a brand new series where we're going to go behind the scenes and share the journey with you. So we have Reese behind the camera right here. There he is.
Hello.
And we're just going to share the journey from and as it happens. So over the last few years we've done some really fun vlogs and walk-arounds the warehouse, but that's always been just sort of a moment in time and a snapshot. What we wanted to do is actually just record everything that we're working on as we're working on them. So we're going to walk around, you're going to meet the team, you're going to be able to see what people are working on, what we are trying to do to achieve the goals that we have with the partners that we have. So really looking forward to this one. I hope you enjoy it. Please do hit that subscribe button and hit the big thumbs up button if you do enjoy this, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go do this. With it being Monday, the first thing that we do every Monday morning at 9:30 is we will do our weekly accountability and leadership meeting, and the purpose behind that is for all our teams to be to come together around this conference table. That is our major teams, as in our operational team, our finance and HR team and support team, our sales and marketing team, and we all come together to go through this leadership meeting. And I'll just share with you what the agenda of that is so you see it for yourself. But first, we always like to start with good news. You know, there's a million and one things that can happen in a business, and there's a lot of issues that you can come across. There's a lot of things that are happening all the time, but I think it's important to focus on the good news and try to pick out good news. So that's what we do across each of the leaders. We go through some good news of the team. Then, because it's the first meeting of the month, so we've just obviously gone past July, I give some sort of important overview notes of the month. Then we go on to the scorecard, and the purpose of the scorecard is just to share what's happening across the business from a KPI point of view. So you can just get a bit of a snapshot of everything that's going on, where there's potential issues or where we need to focus our time. Then I go on to the quarterly rocks. These are our quarterly goals, basically, where every quarter, all of our teams, we will set X amount of goals, whether that's 24 goals in one team, 22 in the other team, and then we just get an update on our planned projects compared to what we've actually completed in the first place, in terms of what we've actually done already. That just lets us know if we're making progress, if there's any difficulties anybody's maybe experiencing or they need some help, support. And then we go into our issues. If there's anything significant that's pressing from each of the team leaders and the managers here, we will be able to discuss that together around the table, because during the week, obviously everybody's busy and everybody's working on each of their teams and each of their areas. This is a set time in the week where we can all come together. So if there is something major, we'll be able to actually discuss that as a team. And then finally, it's to do with our planning and execution. So every week, every Friday, we submit plans for the following week, and we just get a bit of a snapshot on how many projects and things that we planned compared to what we'd actually completed. And that also gives us a bit of a snapshot from our point of view, if we are making progress towards the goals that we have. And that is what the agenda is, and then we give ourselves a meeting score to see whether we have actually had a decent meeting. So we did the meeting start on time, did the meeting run to agenda, was all the good news valid, did everyone bring the right information, and did the meeting finish on time as well. And then we give ourselves a score, and we try to, out of 10, and we try to just improve for the next time, to try get into that perfect meeting, which is a level 10 meeting. So that's what I do first thing on Monday mornings. And then I once I've done that, I'm straight onto my calendar and what we've got planned.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though.
I'm Mitch, I'm a Senior Business Development Manager here at Systemise Fulfilment. Basically what I do is explore different business aspects within your business and try to provide new opportunities for you every single day.
Hi, I am Nathan. I am one of the Business Development Managers at Systemise Fulfilment, and my job is to pretty much establish relationships with new and existing clients.
So today what I'm going to be doing is having meetings with my team members just to go through our current business strategies and how effective they are, and also what we're going to introduce as well. And then on the side of that, I'm also going to be looking at the success of our new sales strategies and the new pricing experiments that we've got going on at the moment.
'Cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
One of the inbound technicians here. My role day to day is logging items in. That involves verifying them when they come in, verifying pallets when they arrive off the back of lorries, and other day to day jobs that need doing around in the inbound area. Like I'll do FBMs, which is you fulfill by merchants. I will do the Amazon returns, so when they come in I'll get them all sorted out, and I'll also do items if they need returning to the store. They'll be on me to get them boxed up, get the weight and dimensions of the products, and get them prepared ready for be sent back to the store. Every morning when we get sent the shopping receipts, we'll print them off and we'll check over to see if there's any substitutes that we'll need sending back, or if anything doesn't quite fit into the bundles, we'll double check that and everything, and if necessary we can send the items back to the store so everything here stays nice and flowing.
Hi, I'm Casey. I do the shipment completion at Systemise Fulfilment, which is basically the end of the outbound team.
Hello, my name is Owen and I do shipment creation. I create all the shipments for all of our clients, and then them shipments get processed and sent to Amazon.
So today I'm super excited to be joined by a very special guest. We have Aylis here. He is a six-figure Amazon EU seller. The big passion really comes from being able to meet people and talk to people, and not only that, actually help them in the first place. Yeah. There's something really quite rewarding of creating a video that helps somebody, and then if you get a message from someone that says something like they've been able to quit their job, or they've been able to purchase a house, or whatever it might be, you know, that's pretty cool. I had a message from somebody that said something along the lines of been quietly watching you for like 3 years.
So this morning we've been over the sales and marketing daily briefing, and what that involves is to discuss yesterday's targets and if we've achieved anything from yesterday's targets, and if we've got any issues or anything that needs resolving straight away. So basically all it is a 5 to 10 minute meeting where we just huddle up in the morning with the sales and marketing team, and we go over any business updates, any areas that we need to improve on, such as like concentration or avoiding distractions, any staff recognition. So anything from yesterday that might have stood out, and and we deserve some sort of recognition for it. And then it moves on to any incidents that need to be investigated, and then it switches over to like an overview for the sales team and the marketing team, and from there we have our own specific targets from the day before, and it's really just to analyse how well we performed and what areas need improving on rather than the other areas. And then after the sales briefing now, I've got a meeting in the next 20 minutes with Lucy just to discuss some wholesale targets that we've got.
Of your good side, I start wondering how.
My name's Kaylee. I am the Brand Operations Manager here at Systemise Fulfilment. I've been working with Feeler Solutions now since the back end of 2020. As you can see, business is booming. We ship out orders to them daily, we ship straight to the customers.
I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
So this is a call with one of our inner circle members called Artie. Had an amazing journey over the last 12-18 months or so, and it's I like doing these calls because it's you're talking to you're just helping, supporting somebody else's business, which is one of the things I love to do, you know. Good morning.
Good morning, Kevin. How are you?
I'm doing outstanding, thank you. How are you?
We're very well, thank you.